6 steps of a box step, so stepping forward side together and back side together. Now he's going to be doing a quarter turn, same as our rotating box, left foot forward, side together, and now just stepping right foot back, side together. So I'll demonstrate that again. And a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now for the ladies' part. Now the ladies' part is a little more complicated. She's starting with half a box, which is right foot back, side together. Now, her next 6 steps, she's going to be walking around to create a 3/4 turn. So she steps forward, walk, walk, and 1, side, close. And now she's finishing left foot forward, right foot side, and close. We're going to do that again from the same angle. So she starts with half a box, and 1, 2, 3, walks around, walk, 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 side, close, and finishes 1, 2, 3. Now, a little bit about the lead and follow. When I'm leading the lady in this pattern, and I'll take it from a side angle, we'll take our first 3 steps. We're stepping forward, side together for the men, right foot back, side together for the lady. As I step back with my right foot and the lady commits with her left foot forward, I'm raising my left hand. So again, I'm stepping back. I raise the hand an inch over her head. She walks around. I pick her up, and we close. And we'll do this again from this angle. And a 1, 2, 3. I raise the arm. She walks around, and I pick her back up. So we'll do this now with music.